ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
హలో మై బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఈరోజు మనం బిల్లాబాంగ్ సెంచరీ అని యానిమల్ సెంచరీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాం. చూస్తారు కదా ఎంత బాగుందో ఇది. ఇక్కడ టౌన్స్విల్లోనే ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇక్కడ చాలా అంటే చాలా యానిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవి ఏంటేంటి అనేది మొత్తం మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేద్దాం, మీకు మొత్తం చూపిస్తా. సో ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చిన చాలా అంటే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అదే ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వెదర్, పొద్దున్నే వర్షం పడ్డది. చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది, కూల్గా ఉంది. Just keep watching full video. Thank you. ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టోర్ కూడా ఉంది. చూద్దాం ఈ స్టోర్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఏంది అనేది. Look at these items. Look at this beautiful top. Dangerous crocodile mostly mentioned this year. Oh my god, ఒక స్నేక్ కూడా ఉంది. ఈస్టర్న్ బ్రౌన్ లైగన్ పైథాన్ అంట స్నేక్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేసి. ఫైనల్గా టికెట్ తీసుకున్నాం $43 అండ్ ప్లస్ $3 కంగారు ఫీడ్ ఇది. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఇండియన్ కరెన్సీలో వచ్చేసి అరౌండ్ 2500 రూపీస్. సో మొత్తానికి ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం. ఇంకా హోలో క్రిజెంట్ ఎంట్రీ అంట. ఇప్పుడు ఇదైతే క్లోజ్ చేసారు. వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ షోస్ రన్ చేస్తారంట వీటి కోసం చూడడానికి.
హలో,
ఎంత బాగా ఉంటుంది. మనం చూసేది బ్లూ అండ్ కోల్డ్ మెకావ్ అంట. ఇది ఒక బర్డ్. దీని పేరు రిచి అంట. ఐఎమ్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ పర్సనాలిటీ అంట. ఒకసారి హలో చెప్దాం. హలో రిచి. అది కూడా హలో చెప్తుంది. స్నేక్స్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ అంట. 2 కామన్ బ్రో, 1 ఈజ్ ఇంగ్లాండ్ టైప్. ఇక్కడ స్నేక్స్ ముల్గా, స్నేక్ ముల్గా అంట. కామన్లీ నోన్ యాజ్ ద కింగ్ బ్రౌన్. ఇది వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మోస్ట్ వెనమస్ స్నేక్స్. ఆస్ట్రేలియన్ మ్యాంగ్రూవ్ ముల్గా. చూడడానికి అయిపోయింది. చూస్తారు కదా. హలో హలో నేను వేసిన ఫీడ్ తింటున్నాయి అవి. సో చూస్తున్నాం కదా, తనని అడిగితే తను దాంట్లో వెనమస్ స్నేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంట అన్నాడు. సో వాటిని ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ చేస్తుండంట. చూద్దాం ఏ స్నేక్స్ అవి, తనని అడిగి కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం అవి ఎంత వెనమస్ ఏంది అని. Hey buddy, what's your name?
My name's Bo.
Brooke. Hey Brooke, can you tell about the snakes in the video? Like which snakes are there and how venomous are they? And just can you describe about them in detail little bit when you after releasing?
I'll be talking about it in massive once everyone comes.
Oh yeah.
I can give you a quick little.
Just give me a like little bit quick brief about them. I don't have much time. I am leaving now.
So we have 2 snake species here today.
Yep.
One is called the tiger snake, which is a very common species in the south of Australia and also over west. They're in the top 5 of the most venomous snakes in the world.
Yep.
And are responsible for fatalities.
Yep.
The second snake I have is the inland taipan.
Inland taipan, yeah.
Number 1 in the world, most venomous.
Yep.
So when it bites, it causes a serious effect with 3 different types of venom in one bite itself.
Yeah. And tiger is the 5th most venomous snakes in the world, right?
It's up around the top 5. The number has changed just recently with new discoveries and new species.
Yep.
There is several different types of tiger snake.
Yep. Yeah. I would like to add one more point with your description. Inland taipan, as you said, inland taipan is the most venomous snake. And second place, there is a snake called king cobra.
The king cobra actually sits at number 17.
17?
Most venomous.
Oh yeah.
The king cobra also with the spinning cobra and a couple other cobra species. Although they're seen as some of the most dangerous snakes in the world, they're actually only up around number 17 and the most dangerous, or most toxic. So out of the top 24 of the most venomous snakes around the world, 21 of them are Australian, 3 of them are foreign. 1 is the cobras, 2 is the diamondback rattle, and the most venomous foreign snake is the black mamba.
Black mamba, yeah.
And that sits at number 10 or 11.
And I have heard about the inland taipan, and even I have seen few videos on the YouTube as well about the inland taipan.
Yeah.
They are like extreme dangerous snakes, man.
Yeah. So the inland taipan can kill 250,000 mice on 1 drop of venom.
Oh my goodness.
To 1 person, that venom has 3 different types of toxins. So the first one is the neurotoxin, which affects the nervous system, causing complete paralysis. Hemotoxin is a second venom, and the hemotoxin affects the blood. For the taipan, it causes a bleeding effect, so your blood thinnens and you'll bleed out. And then the mytoxin is the one that affects the muscles, and that causes the myelinosis in the muscles and turns the muscle into like a liquefied substance. So the heart is turned to jelly, the heart bleeds out, and the heart's paralyzed.
Do you have any idea, like after once we get bitten by the inland taipan, within how much time we should get the anti-venomous?
So anti-venom is not given to everyone. You could grab this snake and be bitten, and this snake might not even inject venom, which is called a dry bite. If you inject the anti-venom into your system, that's causing the envenomation. So you've got to be very careful when getting anti-venom. And every single person has a different effect to the snake bite. So it is always said the correct first aid procedure and hospitalization very quickly.
Yep.
But everyone's different, so I can't tell you how each person affects. You could die instantly from anaphylaxis,
Yep.
or you might not even have it. You'll have what's called a dry bite, so no effect at all.
Thanks, buddy, for sharing your most valuable information. Which snake is this?
The tiger snake.
Tiger snake. Wait to see inland taipan.
Look at the tiger snake. Look, it's a tiger snake.
Reptile species or snake species. So meaning we have the most. So when we look at our snakes alone, we have over 2.
They're not albino by any means because they do have cream throughout them. Whereas, like, if they were albino, you would have red eyes and pure white.
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే ఇన్లైన్ తైపాన్ నాకు ఎప్పటి నుంచో చూడాలని ఉంది అసలు స్నేక్ అంటే ఏంది అనేది. Oh my God. Wow.
Can anyone tell me what this is?
Inland taipan.
It is. It's the inland taipan. So this here is the world's most venomous snake. So there's actually a few different types of taipans we have. For a while there it was just the coastal taipan and the inland taipan. But then they found another species called the western taipan or the central ranges taipan. And it actually turned out to be more venomous than our coastal taipan, knocking the coastal taipan off its top 3 pedestal, coming in at 4. So for this guy here, he is number 1. However, how many snake-related fatalities do you think we've had in Australia from inland taipans? It's through the lymphatic system into the blood, and this is where it can start taking an effect. The first part's the neurotoxin, which affects the nervous system, causing paralysis. The second's the hemotoxin, which affects the blood. So there's 2 different types of hemotoxins that we can look off. One causes the clotting sensation and one thins the blood. So for the taipan, it actually thins the blood, which causes bleeding. And whilst all that's kind of taking effect, the mytoxin kicks in, causes myelinosis, the muscles can start to... It's actually found in a very remote area where the only time people see this snake is if they're actually out looking for it. They live in the cracks in the soil. They travel through the cracks in the soil looking for mice. It's in a very harsh and hot environment where they're found. So they follow these soil tracks because it's a lot cooler for them to travel in and to live in. So when it's time for a bite, 1 drop of this snake's venom has the potential to kill 250,000 mice, 218,000 rats, 100 humans, or an elephant on 1 drop, is what it said looking at the LD50 race, which is an older scale of how we are detecting looking at the venom. Now, colour mutations for this snake. It has a...
Don't touch. It's a snake. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? What's name? Gibson. Hello, Gibson.
Why not? Why not?
Yeah.
I can never pronounce the name.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.